Alright, just a little update on her. Got around to installing the GM flex fuel sensor. If it would focus. There we go. Still need to wire up the harness for that guy. Right now it is idling, and it has to idle with a little bit of a vacuum leak because it is a base map after all. Added coolant to it. You can see the Flexolite Civic fan kicked on. Pulls pretty good CFM. Later on I'm going to take this and put it on the back side because there is definitely plenty of room now that I got this intercooler setup kind of situated. Still need a plug for the blow-off valve area, or a blow-off valve. We'll see what I decide to run because it's a tight fit in here. Put a teal blow-off valve, or tile, however you pronounce it. Still need to put on the intercooler brackets. Need to fab those up, of course. Needs a battery, needs brake pads. I need to install the brake lines. For the most part, it's looking good. It's not overheating. Got all brand new OEM sensors on that block. Still need to wire up the boost control solenoid and vacuum lines and all kind of weird odds and ends, but trying to make some progress here. See that Evolution cam gear in action. Give her a few revs for you guys. It is still on a base map, and I'm limited to about 2,500 RPM. No exhaust currently. Really hot. She's looking great.